Section 3. Civilian authority is at all times supreme over the military. The armed forces of the Philippines is the protector of the people and the state. Its goal is to secure the sovereignty of the state and the integrity of the national territory. So, etong Article 2, Section 3 ay originally wala siya sa Philippine Constitution natin. We are referring to the 1973 Philippine Constitution. Ito ay dinagdag lamang noong 1987. Bakit? Kasi mapapansin natin na noong panahon ni former President Marcos, nag-reign supreme ang military authority over the civilian authority. Kaya na-establish ang dictatorship. And after that, in order to subvert the power of the dictator, we had used the military power of the country in order to stage a coup. Therefore, the Section 3 was made in 1987 Constitution so that our civilian authority reigns supreme over the military. Yun yung pinaka-simpleng explanation nito.